So you've got to lift up. All these are quite high lifts.
Is there a decoder for a Viscount?
Yeah. That's right. Right. Let's see.
Oh, I like that then. Give me three. I could have that soon. Cheers,
Come on. Can't even see.
Shall I light it up?
Is that one on here? Oh, that's yours.
Okay. So,
Right. I still can't see me get up. I don't want to torch because I. That's it. Right. So get the wire in. Oh, which way is it? Oh, which way is it turning?
can't really hear it. I'm not sure actually. They both sound like anything in the boat.
No, I think because it locks this way, I'm sure. So it's going to be this way. So. Right.
Hello, mate. I've had 6 as well, have
So I was saying to you about corkscrewing.
I? Yeah, I do.
I mean,
I'll just have a... I know, it's a little bit... Yeah. Okay, it might be worth just ordering all the ducting, mate, for the whole job. Yep. Yeah. 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 Right.
this one.
Right, okay, mate. So what I just said to Leon was I need all the ducting, the rest of the ducting down to site as soon as possible then, because we're cracking on with that, if that's alright.
Honey pig.
I'll just take all the ducting now, because the geezer's going through it. I ain't really got time. This Simon's taking too long, mate, with everything he's doing. So. That's it. Right. Yes, 6, 7, yes. You've got them. Yeah. And I'll leave it with you how you, yeah, that's it, mate. I'll leave it with you how you're going to do it, that's fine. If I could just get the duct in as soon as possible, mate, that'd be fantastic. Thanks, Sam. Bye.
Oh, Foxy only pick.
I suppose they're not meant to be bloody
No, it's not. It's not a straightforward thing. I was gonna say, if you want, you can. You can lock your door. When you're done.
If I leave the keys here, is that right? If you just pull it down.
Is the key in the lock already?
Yeah, it's up in there. Yeah.
Cool.
And just give us a shout about that cabinet.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's great. I bet you get everyone watching, didn't you? It's great.
Yeah.
Brilliant.
Because it's a wire, isn't it? And you're like, what are you doing with a wire?
Is that what it is?
What he's got to do, he's got to move 1.5 mil or 1.7 mil blind. You can't see the lever pads.
Right.
So everything has to go on literally feeling throughout the whole, and there's 5 levers in there.
Yeah. It's not nice.
That's what makes it cool. It's not nice when you're doing it, but when you're looking at it, it's cool.
Happy days, another teenager's been stabbed.
Oh, you?
Stabbed to death.
No.
What was this? Walthamstow?
I don't know, I just flashed up on my
So,
phone. Was it in Walthamstow?
I think so. Walthamstow or Edmonton. It's nuts, bro.
Country's literally fucking
Falling to pieces, bro.
Yeah, it actually is.
Growing up, it wasn't that bad. There was knife crimes, there were gun crimes, but not as much.
Oh, back in the day, you'd have a punch up.
Yeah, you had exactly.
You wouldn't stab someone.
You wouldn't have a problem like beating someone on the street, but now it's like you don't know what they will have.
Well,
Even one homeless man, beginning of last year, he was drunk or something. I don't know. I was driving, and he was like on the bus stop, lying face down, and he was just like, "Oh, I want to kill myself," and people were scared. It was at night. I don't know what possessed me. I stopped, and I went over to see if he was alright, because I used to work NHS, so I used to deal with people like him. And I didn't think anything of it. I was like, "Are you alright, mate?" And then after I was like trying to help him up, as he got up, he had a bottle, he smashed it. He went to stab his leg. At the moment he done that, bro, I restrained him on the street. And I was like, it's nuts. People they're just like that, man.
Yeah, it's certainly a lot different.
could have picked someone to do this.
Well, he's dressed like he's in summer. For him it's summer.
Come on. I'm trying to get it in between the levers. That's it. So, one.
How long has it been sitting here for?
About a couple of months.
Couple of
Yeah. It means to get it sorted for ages.
Jesus.
All our work's in central London, you see, so
yeah.
getting it from here to London's a pain in the ass. Like, we've got transit customs, and with all the vans kitted out, can't get them on the back. Because they're all wrapped out, you know what I mean? So it's a bit of a pain in the ass.
So what happens after we pick it and get your keys? Are you going to take it?
I'll get it into town, get it to one of the jobs. Because all the lads are obviously there's been a few break-ins over Christmas, so
because everyone knows, all of them knows the sites are going to be empty, vacant, and boxes like this are targets.
Of course they are,
They think it's just full of Milwaukee and DeWalt.
Exactly.
Oh, man.
Just make it longer and harder for them to do.
It's quite funny, most site blokes don't have Milwaukee DeWalt's, they tend to buy the cheapest Ryobi. Because
yeah, I know what you mean. The lads have thousands of pounds worth of tools, you know. I blame the people buying them, you know, going to car boot sale and buying people's tools. You shouldn't do it.
I had people on Facebook like, oh, we got deals on this, I'm like, no. I just would never buy it from Facebook, ever.
No.
Because you're just giving them a platform to carry on doing what they're doing, and someone's worked really hard for it. But now they're coming smart with Milwaukee. Makita. Now you can register the battery with the drill and the impactor. So if you take the battery out, you can't put another battery in for it to work.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah. So they're becoming more clever, and then the police are putting their little UV pens, but that's not going to stop them. That's like bike crime.
We've had tools stolen forever, right? And we even found, police have like a lost and found, and sometimes they'll put on their Facebook or whatever, these tools, they'll send pictures of the tools that have been taken. Say if there are anyone who can come forward, because we didn't have a receipt because it was 2 or 3 years old, they wouldn't give it to us.
Yeah, and the police are nasty too, because then they'll stick it up on auction after like 6-7 months.
If not, take it home themselves.
Yeah, exactly.
Like all the drugs. But anyway, right, enough of that. I'll leave you boys to it then.
Alright, cool.
Yeah, that's the cabinet up there. You know where I am.
Yeah,
Just give us a shout on that cabinet. Hopefully it won't be too much to do that, but hopefully you can do that for us.
Yeah.
And then
No
we can
worries.
get these to site. Lovely. Right, cheers, lad.
Yeah, no worries. Just my hands are so cold.
If you want my gloves, they're a bit small. They might not fit you. They won't fit your hand actually.
So fucking this. It's got.
Like, turn your car on so you get flat.
1, 2, 3.
That was a jump.
Yeah, but there's an anti-pick. Because these are square levers.
Viscount.
Yeah. So it's much harder to, because it's square, it's much harder to get out. Yeah, let's put the, just in case, don't end up. Oh, yeah, keys are in it. Oh. Hey? So you know, I could put my full beam on. Oh, wrong one. It's always a balancing act with these. Alright. So, that's full run there. That's not. I've got to lift up. All these are quite high lifts.
Is there a decoder for a Viscount?
Yeah. GJ does one.
Make a key from?
Yeah, GJ does one.
Because then you could have done it once for this, and then hopefully it's the same key.
Oh, you fucker. Oh, you fucking bastard. Right, that one I picked. That one. That's it. Which one? That one. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, let's turn the camera, turn off. Probably the wrong time of day really to come and do something like this. So.
Oh, we're passion driven, right, John?
Oh, I don't know about that. Alright, 1. 1. 2. That's it. So epoxy middle. There we go, done. Yay! Cool. Let's get all this off the top. Just to pull the top on. Yay! Right, so what I'm hoping is we get one lock off and then they'll both be on the same key. Right.